Maintain course bearing 090.
Confirmed. Lowering to depth 100 meters.
Spannung auf die Winde.
Sichern Sie die Unterstützung fest.
Es ist gut so.
The corrosion around the spar is worse than we thought. We need to stabilize this section immediately.
Noted. I'll inform the electrolysis team.
Look at the pitting around this rivet.
It goes deeper than we thought. The structural integrity is compromised.
Corrosion here is worse than expected. See that reading on the scope?
Confirmed. We're looking at severe localized damage on cylinder 3.
See how the corrosion has seized the rudder pedals completely. We can't force it.
Right. And this wiring harness is beyond repair. We'll have to replace the entire loom.
Panel Alpha 7 is clear.
Bring it over to the inspected tray.
This section here, the patina suggests metal fatigue beyond the schematic.
Okay, the laser scan confirms it. I'm updating the structural integrity report now.
Complete. We are within tolerance now.
Excellent. The adjustment worked perfectly. Let's move on.
Slow down, bring it slightly to the left. Okay, I have it. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
This connection here, make sure it's 75 Newton meters.
Already on it. The calibration checks out.
I have the next set ready.
The wiring harness on the starboard side looks intact.
Yeah, the schematics confirm it matches the original layout. Let's head inside.
Can you measure the diameter of this gauge housing?
It's reading 52 millimeters, same as the others.
official horizon.
Level stabilizing now, looking good here.
Final cockpit systems check complete in BF-110. All instruments operational, pilot seat restored.
Bring it down 50 centimeters. Watch the clearance. Looking good. Keep coming down. Pressure stabilizing at green.
Confirmed. Structural integrity validated. Gear is locked.
Check the readings on the tail section again.
Looks solid. We have full symmetry across the fuselage.
We need to ensure the Balkenkreuz is perfectly symmetrical here.
I've got it aligned with the rib structure now. Start taping the bottom edge.
Pressure holding steady at 16 atmospheres.
Good. The fuel lines are secure. Make a note of the stability check.